E3 takes the customer information that we receive and turns it into electronic records that, gives us the data that we need to run our business on a daily basis.
In my opinion, it gives us an advantage in the marketplace.
E3 is just a bigger product going into technology, and the way our business is growing, we need to grow with that, and that's why we felt like we had to go with E3.
E3 is where all of our customer information is held, all the routing and forecasting is done, service work is done, inventory is handled. Everything comes through E3.
E3 is a very powerful program. It's the base of everything we do, really, when it comes right down to it.
We basically run two different databases, one of them for our propane company, which we really run more like a retail company. And then we have another E3 database where we run our lube and oil and fuel business.
We moved over to E3 in 2012. And we've never looked back. It's been a great experience.
E3 is the mothership.
Add Energy is critical for us. It's our transactional information as it relates to our customers. It is also obviously our database where our customer information resides, and it's also the platform that we can connect to from various other software devices to even improve the customer service experience. Add Energy is vital from point of delivery right through point of customer purchase.
We really like E3 because it's a scalable solution that has a lot of automated processes. It's integrated with a lot of modules. Because we have a retail operation and a wholesale operation, which are quite different, it actually handles both sides really well, and it allows us to do things that are specific in each division, but yet different from each other, but it comes together really well.
The biggest thing for us was, as we grew our customers, grew our customer count, the amount of invoices we were processing, price notices we were sending, how could we automate that stuff all the way through? And that was the key and the reason we looked at E3, and it's worked fantastically for us, so that now we feel like we could grow or double our business without any additional overhead.
It's a product that's grown as we've grown, and we're seeing realized gains in functionality enhancements and productivity enhancements. It's been a good fit for our organization.
Add Energy E3 has improved our business by being able to communicate with our customers through customer service, giving them on demand the information that they need real time. If a customer calls up and says, "Where's the technician?" we can tell them, okay, he's been dispatched, he's in transit, he's on site, and I think that has improved our communication to the customer.
It's our major product that we use. We have 30 users, and they're in it all day long. It gives us the ability in one location to get all of our customers' information, make orders for all those deliveries coming in over the phone, automatic deliveries, one place to see all of the customers' transactions. It's given us all that information all in one place.
That's probably the biggest strength of the system is flexibility. No two companies do anything exactly the same, and the software is written in such a way that it can accommodate your needs. We've built the business around the technology to allow us to serve our customers with what they expect, especially in a modern environment.
E3 has put a lot of things on one screen at our fingertips. That has been a successful product for us internally, consolidating a lot of things and making it available for either a CSR or manager, dispatcher. All these things are within grasp.
The automation and the ability to report on different things gives us the ability to go after new customers and maintain the customer base that we currently have today.
We've been an ads customer since about 1996 with the company. We went from PAMS going into E3 now. We can email customers invoices, statements. We didn't have that with PAMS. The routing systems that they offer, we can do our automatic payments. Several different reasons why we've made this step forward.
It makes billing very easy. It's very flexible. A lot of our prices go from 6 p.m. to 6 p.m. and in our old system we had to bill the day before only up to 6 p.m. and with this system we can add the prices and set a time so that we can bill the whole previous day. So that was a huge improvement.
Most of our business is delivered, and we have a bunch of different dispatch systems that we use, and so you've got inputs and we've got bill of ladings coming from other places. So we've got all these different inputs coming from all these different places. And so for us, it was having a system that we could set up the mapping so that it would work efficiently, so that whatever source it's coming from, it's easy to just sort of bring it into the system, match it up against whatever the supplier's charging us, and then bill it out all in that streamlined process. So that's kind of the magic for us.
It's easier to teach and train much easier to teach and train.
It's very intuitive, it's very user-friendly. I've hired several new employees in the last year, a new dispatcher and my lead CSR, and half a day with a web-based training session, they're off to the races.
It all lives and resides inside of Ad Energy. It really does. You improve the overall customer experience by making sure your data is correct. Ads gives us a lot of devices to go ahead and make sure that we have solid customer information. And then from there, it only gets better. We can then go ahead and perform everything from deliveries, service information, billings. We can do a number of different things that just make the overall process very streamlined.
Ad Systems is always investing in their product, and so for me, that means they're always adapting to the needs of the marketplace, or the needs of the technology world, and that makes a good partner because they're always investing in that product to keep it at the forefront.
We're partnered with an industry leader. That's really the key. I mean, Ad Energy is continuously cutting edge. They're looking at the focus of the products and services that they offer. They work with their end user community to go ahead and create an even bigger and larger product.
It is the center of everything. All the other pieces hang off of it, and it gives us a nice view into what's happening, where, and how better to utilize our resources.
Everything flows through E3. Regardless of what additional add-on products you have, it all comes through E3.
It's helped us become a better fuel company to give our customer a good experience.
So I feel good about our choice to partner with Ads because of the system and the ability it provides me to use data and make decisions based on that data.
You could not run a business our size without a company like Ad Systems in the background.